on Roar, Six Flags America. Now this is a clone of the ride, or the same ride that's also at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, that was eventually turned into Rocky Mountain Construction. So I do wonder if this one here will eventually get that Rocky Mountain treatment. So let's see how this ride is. Again, from the lift hill, you kind of get like a nice little view of the park. Check it out, everybody. There's the ride, and there is the top of the lift hill. All right, we're hanging on for dear life. Wooden coasters can be a little shaky. Here we go! Yo! Whee! Oh ho ho! Oh man! Woo! Oh! It's a little bumpy. My man boobs are jiggling. So that was a little bumpy. Still a fun ride, but I think I'd prefer if Rocky Mountain came and did a little bit of magic to this one up here. Still very much worth the ride. Roar at Six Flags America.